Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a painting. So that painting is like a card painting. There's like a thread on it, and you put on the thread some colors, and you put it like a S on it, and then close it and pull it really slowly. I will show the things what we need: a paper, and you will fold it. Yellow paint, red paint, orange paint, of course a yarn actually. So guys, I put paint on the three type of colors in a plate, and on the yarn too. So now I will pick it up. I will pick the yarn up slowly. I will hold it with my hand really lightly so the color doesn't come in. So we will pull it slowly. And I will put the book away, open it. It came out like this. So guys, this turned out like this, and I hope you like it. And subscribe down, like, subscribe, and press the bell button. Till then, bye.